Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to design spur mechanism like this. And without wasting time, let's start it. First, we make a spur gear. Go to design library, active toolbox. Go to G standard. Go to power transmission. Go to gears. Drag and drop this spur gear. Module we use to. Number of teeth is 30. Pressure angle is 20 degree. Face width is 12. Hoop style is type E. Okay. Make this spur gear float. Right click this spur gear. Click edit toolbox component. Change number teeth to 15. Nominal shaft diameter to 10 mm. Okay. Now we have two gears. Now go to right plane. Active circle. Click from this point to this point. And click this point to this point. Click this point. And this point. Make horizontal. Active smart dimension. Make the circle diameter is 60 mm. Make the circle diameter is 30 mm. Click this point and this point, make distance 45 mm. Exit sketch. Sorry, before that, make the circle sketch for construction. Okay, exit sketch. Click this face and this right plane, make coincident, and do the same thing with other gear. Click this face and this circle sketch, make concentric. Click this face and click this sketch, make concentric. Tidy up this spur gear. Active mat. Go to mechanical mat, choose gear mat, click this edge and this edge, make ratio 30 defining 60. Okay. See? Man activate. If you understand gearman, you can make animation like this. I think it's the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.